We're gonna support a creator code and Fortnite, so this is the latest version. Alright, so what you have to do is you're gonna go to your browser and search up Epic Games Creator Code. Then once you do that, it should take you to this page right here. And you're gonna click on the first option right here where it says Home Support a Creator. Most likely it's gonna tell you to log in. Then once you log in, it's gonna take you to this page right here where it says Receive Real Money Payouts Awards from creating or sharing content for Fortnite, Rocket League, blah blah blah. Just click on Apply now. Now from here, you're just gonna have to go through this whole thing. So click on Start Registration. Click on this. Click on I'm signing up for myself. Submit. Click on I have read. Scroll this down. Click on Submit. Now from here, it's going to tell you to link a YouTube channel that has over 1,000 followers. It could be YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Twitch, Facebook public page. It doesn't matter. You could do whatever. You could add any social accounts you want. So once you find the social, just click on it and link it. Then once you do that, it should take you to this page right here where it said tax and payout. Now from here, it's going to tell you to put your tax and payout. So as your tax, if you're over 14, you could literally do anything. You need to be 14 to have a supported creator code. Sometimes if you don't have a tax, you're under your parent, you could just put their tax information and most likely Fortnite is going to get you through that, you know what I'm saying? They're going to let you have a creator code if you also put your parents. But make sure you have to be under them. You can't fake this. You can't put any fake information thinking you're gonna get supported creator code. Realistically, you're not because Fortnite checks everything, and legally you could get in trouble for it. So make sure you put in the correct information. Everything is correct, and in 30 days they're gonna hit you back and give you the supported creator code. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.